Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you guys how to do a chunky twist out. So I recently posted a picture on my Instagram page of me going to a ballet in New Orleans with my daughter Blake. And a few people requested that I do a tutorial of how my hair was that day. So first I'm going to take a section of my hair and spray it with my very own moisturizing spray. And FYI, this moisturizing spray is all natural, made with all natural ingredients, and it is very good with keeping my hair moisturized and even as a refresher spray. Next, I'm going to take that section and add a little bit of my very own hair moisturizing cream made from all natural ingredients. FYI, a little bit goes a long way with this cream. Also, I not only use this cream in my hair, but I also use it in my daughter Blake's hair, and my family and friends also use this product. And what I'm going to do now is two-strand twist my hair, not too tight, but tight enough. So you're going to repeat that step about 3 or 4 more times. So overall, you'll end up with about 4 or 5 chunky twists. Now I'm going to spray a little bit more of my moisturizing spray onto my hair. Then I'm going to take my satin scarf and tie it up for the night. Okay, see you in the morning. Okay, so now you're just going to pull the twist apart and just keep separating them until you reach the desired volume. And as you can see, the twist out is very defined, and at this point, after using the products, I really don't need to add any oil or anything for shine because it's really nice and soft, and like I said, the curls are really defined. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks. Bye.